You got a boner? I can help you with that, bro. Ain't no fucking way we jump in this shit. If that's electrified, bro, then we dead. Looking ass. Look at that. There's like a warehouse in there. Abandoned warehouse. So we're abandoned warehouse, abandoned whatever the fuck this is. That's where we can have sex, guys.
That's where we have the case.
Alright, so we got in under that shit. And this is the place. I don't really know what we're gonna do first. Damn, bro, it's mad cold. Sheesh. Alright, we'll say bye to this place, I guess.
I got about an ounce in a Ziploc. I leave a bitch boy pissed off. Pish posh, get your shawty sitting crisscross.
That motherfucking warehouse over there. This the motherfucking silos and shit like that. You gonna go inside or are you just gonna stand it?
I'm gonna stay in the back.
Knock on the door first and then go in.
So we're all definitely gonna get killed by some sort of monster.
Beans. It's a smiley face.
Whoa!
Yo, what the fuck? Yo, what the fuck?
So these are like the furnaces, huh?
Bush did 9/11. It just says A. Lamau over there, bro. What the fuck?
Don't fall in the hole right here. Yo, that's a down one-way drop.
That's nice, bro. Let's just not fall in there. Damn. Wait, we can get up. No, we can't.
Yeah, we can.
How do we? We just gotta do some kind of parkour, you know? Jump from here to there, to that, to that, to that. Dude, those are the silos. Look, that's a silo. I just want to look, man. God damn.
Let's like actually explore this for a minute.
Yeah. Dude, you see the fire? That's actually pretty tight. Dude, look at the nuke. That's me. Yeah, don't.
Is your fucking vent from Among Us? Is that an Among Us reference? It seems like you're just fucking repeating.
All right. Well, I'll go with Jackson then, cause this is just the same shit, right?
What is collapsed over here?
Is it?
Yeah, over the end, like.
Oh yeah, I see that. Fuck you, cop.
Stairs. Stairs.
Where's stairs? There's actually stairs? Why is everything an Among Us reference?
Robert, no, I would not. I would.
Did you just call that a stair?
No, that's the stairs.
Where?
Don't go that high. These just go to fucking nowhere. There's a door to the outside. What kind of fucking door is that?
This is the fucking dumbest door I've ever fucking seen.
Door to nothing here. What is this?
There's a fucking noose up there. This is the thing we were talking about earlier.
Oh shit.
It's collapsed.
Like, this thing is about to collapse here. How do we get to the fucking top?
Yeah, dude, that's what I'm trying to figure out
I need to
here.
go outside to see that.
That's us. No, we don't stand under that shit.
Don't suck
Bro, Patrick
hard.
and I just
God.
back in the cologne, bro.
This is literally facts.
Suck.
Why is there so many question marks everywhere? It's making me scared. God damn. What the fuck is that? Like what the fuck is that shit? Why are they so pokey?
Oh, yeah, they are pokey as hell. I don't know how we're gonna get in. We have to go around to the other side.
So we did all this for nothing?
Hey bro, I'm doing it. What the fuck? Yo, actually, what the fuck?
Actually, I don't know.
That was a good enough hit.
Here's my suggestion. Let's go around, see what other avenues we have. If not, we can come back.
Jesus fucking
and
Christ.
Think about it, alright?
I want to do it regardless. What the fuck is that? And there's another fucking building over there. Shit, there's car. Oh, there's an opening, there's an opening.
It's so cold.
Oh, you go back a little bit. You're not completely in it. Oh shit. Oh yeah. That's good, right?
Yeah, that's cold. Gotta zoom in a little though.
Is that for a bird? It's like a little cage thing. Oh no, that's a light. That shit's old.
This shit's smoking down.
Wait, well, actually?
I think that's dust, not smoke.
Yeah, it's just dust in the sunlight. Motherfucking Jesus.
You playing baseball today?
That's it. I just want to do it. Jesus. Okay. Oh my fucking god, bro. We're gonna get popped. Okay. Okay, that's enough. Holy shit. Dude, we gotta get the fuck out of here. Dude, the exit's over there. What the fuck is this? This is not an exit.
Yeah, we're mad visible. Yeah, the road's like
we're
right
visible.
there.
Let's go.
Let's go back to what we came in.
Shit is in my pants. Ow. I just cut myself. Ow, I just cut myself. Oh. That motherfucking plant. Oh, shit. No more throwing because we're right next to the glass. Bro, look at that fuck. Oh my god. That shit was fun. Alright, we're gonna get on top of this from the stairs over there.
Yeah, I'm not going first.
Alright, I'll go first then.
You can go first.
Dude, I swear to God, that shit falls. I'm gonna die. Alright. If it was good, very sturdy. Like, it's actually growing here. This is sus. The stairs itself is fine. Well, how you guys doing down there? Guys, there's a way in. I'm not going in there by myself. Ain't no way I'm going in there by myself. Alright, I'm just gonna wait for them to come up. They're climbing. Alright. Yeah, just don't look down. It's... I know. What the fuck? I really hope this thing doesn't collapse.
Yes.
That's what I'm scared of right now.
I mean, we probably hear cracking before it does.
True. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 2 seconds. Not.
This looks like a fucking treadmill already.
You guys want to go in there later? Let's just go down it first. Distribute our weight. Guys, don't fall down there. Do not fall.
Why is this not secured?
Look at that though. It goes so far down. Do you have the balls to walk across this? There's no security on the sides.
The one thing I'm worried about still is they're all just caving in. You know what I mean?
I'm good, bro.
Yeah.
I'm good.
Just come here and stand here and feel it. It's so sketch. Just walking across this. You can see traffic cones down there. It just feels so sketchy walking on this, bro.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm gonna head back that way.
There's nothing down there. Just I'm going under it.
Can we get back to my fucking open area instead of this thing?
Alright, what are we doing here?
Anyway, there's our entrance, first of all. Second of all, that's the building we came in last time.
So how are we gonna get down there?
Yeah,
Riddle me that.
we can get on this tree and I'm playing. Alright, that's our destination. That's also our destination. So we'll see you there. Dude, look at that shit. That shit is raw. I'm going over there, bro.
This is all rusty ass sharp metal.
Yeah.
If you slip and fall on this, you are going to die.
You get cut. Do you know what this kind of looks like? This looks like some kind of like ancient civilization, except there's fucking metal, which doesn't make any sense. Dude, it just extends all the way down there. That shit is insane. Wait, what? Fucked upstairs? Wait, let me check this shit out first. Give me a fat second. Like a shower or something? Oh shit, you guys scared the shit out of me, bro. I heard voices to my left. I was like, where? When the fuck? Oh my god, dude. Anal. God damn, bro. Shit is fucking crazy. Bro, look at this. It says jump. Damn. It's pretty insane.
You got me fucked up. This guy is fucking nuts. Actually insane.
Look. Yeah. I mean, you'll see it in the video, but it's nothing. It's just like a little tiny railing. Bro. I'm covered in scratches and cuts and a bunch of bullshit. There's rubble here. I'm gonna check this out real quick. There's an entrance.
Salt. Yeah, it's probably powder for cement.
Yeah, cement. And then there's a bunch of hills over there. It's nothing special. So much glass. Like, what the fuck? What happened here? Okay, now that. Yo, what the?
Like it's literally like hollow.
Oh yeah, because there's tunnels under us.
Which one is that?
It's pretty crazy.
What kind of spider is that?
Okay, can you not like...
Stop.
Dude, we don't like spiders. You're the only human in the world that likes spiders. Alright, so I'm the one that's going first? Yeah. Alright, cool.
You don't need that person.
Satan's waiting. Nice. Very, very cool, dude. Whoever wrote this, fuck you.
Satan wrong. Satan ate.
Satan with a... Yeah, that's some homeless person. I think they live down here.
Yep.
Look how many utilities there are.
Dude, look at all the cans. Holy shit.
We've done so much risky shit today. There's literally a smooth wooden, like, varnished board to your back. Okay? Unless the fucking thing has, like, glass glued to it, your hands are gonna survive 3 rungs of ladder. Okay?
Alright, I'm gonna go first. Okay? That's the fucking ladder shit. Ow. Imagine if we had to, like, crawl down there in order to get in. I told y'all it was safe, motherfucker. Is it? Uh-oh. Is it like really wet? This is kind of like a new shoe.
It's not exactly dry for sure. This is a shit fucking idea.
Oh yeah, this is a really bad idea. Oh nah, bro. These are new shoes, bro.
Handprints on these.
Oh no. Dude, look at. Oh my god. These are fucking new. These are new. No. Oh, this is where it came out. I'm not sure where we are. You see this ladder? It's so sturdy. I mean, it looks sturdy.
Other than the part where it's broken in half at the bottom.
Look at the rope.
No.
It's telling me to go up there. Damn, bro, y'all are not gonna do it. Alright. Yo, I wasn't recording. Oh my god, I'm a dumbass. We found a quarry next to Starved Rock. And it's a million times bigger than the last one we went to. It like goes all the way over there. There's this huge ass lake. Yeah, we're definitely not gonna be able to do this today because it's gonna be nightfall pretty soon. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Alright, I'm doing a voiceover because the wind in this audio is so damn loud and you cannot hear me. But anyways, thanks for watching. Smash that like button, subscribe, and peace out.